Welcome back to Tutorials by David. Today I'll show you how to set up a team workspace in Notion in under 1 minute. First, go to Notion and create a new workspace. Click Add Workspace. Then choose Team instead of Personal. Next, invite your team members using their email addresses. Assign roles like admin, member, or guest depending on their access level. Now create your main structure. Start with pages like dashboard, projects, and tasks. Inside each page, use databases to track progress, like Kanban boards for tasks or tables for deadlines. Then set up shared team homepage so everyone can quickly access important links and updates. Finally, organize everything using folders or linked databases so your workflow stays clean and scalable. And that's it. You've built a fully working team workspace in Notion for 2026.